to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Today, we're addressing a common challenge: maximizing the potential of a small backyard with outdoor kitchen area inspiration. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's delve into the creation of a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor kitchen. Many homeowners believe that an outdoor culinary space is exclusive to large properties, but this is far from the truth. With strategic planning and thoughtful design, even the most compact outdoor areas can be transformed into a delightful cooking and entertaining hub. What, precisely, does an outdoor kitchen for a small backyard entail? This concept transcends merely placing a grill on the patio. It involves a carefully considered integration of cooking, preparation, and storage elements within a limited footprint. The goal is to create a seamless extension of your indoor living space, offering a functional area for meal preparation and social gatherings. In a small backyard, every square foot counts, necessitating a design that prioritizes efficiency and multifunctionality. This might mean utilizing vertical space for storage, opting for compact appliances, or incorporating modular components that can be adapted to various needs. The essence of a small backyard outdoor kitchen is to deliver the full outdoor cooking experience without overwhelming the available space. What are the tangible benefits of investing in an outdoor kitchen for a small backyard? The advantages are numerous. Firstly, it expands your living area, effectively creating an additional room for entertaining and relaxing. This is particularly valuable in warmer climates where outdoor living is prevalent. Secondly, it can significantly enhance your property's value and appeal. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a desirable feature for potential buyers. Thirdly, it transforms routine cooking into an enjoyable outdoor experience, allowing you to savor the fresh air and natural surroundings. Moreover, it minimizes indoor cooking odors and heat, keeping your home cooler during the summer months. Finally, it provides a dedicated space for social gatherings, fostering a relaxed and convivial atmosphere. The ability to cook and entertain outdoors can significantly improve your quality of life, even within the confines of a small backyard. How does one effectively decorate a small backyard with an outdoor kitchen area to achieve a visually appealing result? The key lies in creating a cohesive and uncluttered design. Start by defining distinct zones for cooking, dining, and relaxation. Utilize vertical space with shelving, wall-mounted storage, and hanging planters to maximize functionality without sacrificing floor space. Opt for a consistent color palette and materials that complement your existing home and landscape. Incorporate comfortable and durable outdoor furniture that is scaled appropriately for the space. Introduce ambient lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider incorporating natural elements, such as potted plants or a small herb garden, to soften the space and enhance its aesthetic appeal. The goal is to create a harmonious and functional outdoor space that reflects your personal style and enhances your enjoyment of your backyard. What are the essential items for an outdoor kitchen in a small backyard? Prioritize multifunctional and space-saving appliances. A compact grill or griddle is essential. Consider a built-in refrigerator drawer or ice maker to minimize trips indoors. A sink with running water is a valuable addition for food preparation and cleanup. Opt for durable and weather-resistant countertops, such as granite or concrete. Adequate storage is crucial, so incorporate drawers, cabinets, and shelving to keep tools and supplies organized. Lighting is paramount for safety and ambience. A well-placed outdoor rug can define the space and add a touch of comfort. Consider a retractable awning or pergola for shade and protection from the elements. Ultimately, the best items are those that enhance functionality and comfort while complementing the overall design. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 exceptional outdoor kitchen ideas tailored for small backyards to inspire you for your next project. 1. The compact corner kitchen. Utilize an unused corner of your patio or deck to create a streamlined cooking area. Incorporate a built-in grill, a small sink, and a few storage drawers. 2. The vertical garden kitchen. Combine a vertical garden with a built-in grilling station. This maximizes space and adds a touch of greenery. 3. The mobile kitchen cart. Opt for a portable kitchen cart with a built-in grill, countertop, and storage. This allows for flexibility and easy rearrangement. 4. The fold-down kitchen. Install a fold-down countertop and grill that can be tucked away when not in use. This maximizes space and keeps the area clutter-free. 5. The pergola kitchen. Create a shaded cooking and dining area with a pergola. Incorporate a built-in grill, countertop, and seating beneath the pergola. 6. The built-in barbecue island. A compact barbecue island with a built-in grill and a small countertop, this will create a focal point in the backyard. 7. The modular kitchen system. Invest in a modular kitchen system that can be customized to fit your specific needs and space. This allows for flexibility and adaptability. 8. The patio wall kitchen. Utilize an existing patio wall to create a built-in kitchen. Incorporate a grill, sink, and storage along the wall. 9. The deck rail kitchen. Install a fold-down countertop and grilling surface along your deck railing. This maximizes space and provides a convenient cooking area. 10. The mini pizza oven kitchen. A small, wood-fired pizza oven can be the center point of your outdoor kitchen. Add a small countertop and storage for pizza-making supplies. These ideas demonstrate that even the smallest backyards can accommodate a functional and stylish outdoor kitchen. Creating an outdoor kitchen in a small backyard is an attainable goal with thoughtful planning and creative design. By prioritizing functionality, maximizing space, and incorporating stylish elements, you can transform your outdoor area into a delightful culinary and entertaining space. Remember, it's about making the most of what you have and creating a space that enhances your lifestyle. We hope that these insights and ideas have inspired you to create your own outdoor kitchen oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on home decor and design. Leave a comment below and let us know which outdoor kitchen idea is your favorite. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might be looking to transform their small backyard. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.